How to withdraw funds from Robinhood. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to withdraw funds from your Robinhood account. So to withdraw funds from your Robinhood account, you just have to simply follow the steps. First thing first, go ahead and log into your Robinhood account. When you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page. So this is how it's gonna look like. So here you just have to go ahead and swipe towards the left hand side, go to account, and you should be able to find this transfer option. So when you press on transfer option, then it's going to take you to the next field, which is going to look something like this. So what next you want to do is click on the transfer button, and underneath you can find transfer or withdraw. So go ahead and press on withdraw. Now you'll have to go ahead and enter the exact fund that you want to withdraw. Next thing you want to select is where you actually want to withdraw. Either it's a bank account or be it your any other external wallet. So select that, enter the exact amount, confirm the transaction, and this way you'll have successfully withdraw funds from your Robinhood. However, make sure that you have enough balance, as in some cases Robinhood might hold back some of the amounts for some cases. So you just have to make sure that you have enough funds. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.